boys, and today is going to be a tutorial of how to add custom enchantments to your kits with Essentials X. Regular Essentials doesn't have this, so you can't really do it, so you kind of need a different plugin. But before I start, this will mess up your regular Essentials config, so my suggestion is that you make a backup of your regular Essentials config file, and then save that and before you install the custom enchant plugin, because making your kits in game and stuff. So I'm using Essentials X plugin because it has a cool little command where you do like create kit in game, and then you can like create kits, and as I said before, it will mess up your regular Essentials config file, so I suggest back it up or something, or edit your config file first before you get Essentials X creating kit. So the plugin that I'm going to be using is Enchantments. I know there's tons of custom plugins, custom enchantment plugins out there, but this is one that I found was easy to use. It was updated for 1.8.8, so I just decided to use this, and yeah, so I'll show you how to do that. Here's this will be a link in the description, or you can just like search it on the plugins thing if you're using MinecraftHosting.pro, but this will be a link in the description, so you can come look at this. And here's the enchantments, and you get special arrows and commands. So I'm going to go enchantments because I don't know all the custom enchantments. So what I just did is found where the sword was. So each of them are like specific for, as you see, chest plates, bows, boots, and then swords and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go in game real quick and give myself the sword. I'm gonna give myself sword. So as you see right here, it has force. So I guess the command, oops, enchant. Wait, what's the command again? Oh, it's E-N-C-H. 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 There we go. I did it wrong. Alright, so as you see right here, here's the commands on this side. You can like search it and everything. So I'm going to do, let's do force. So we'll do that, and then as you see, here's the commands. It's pretty simple. I'm not going to go through every single thing because they're pretty self-explanatory, but we're going to add enchant force, and then as you see, the levels 1 through 3, and let's do like level 2, I guess. As you see, boom, there we go, we got force 2. Let's see, what else should we put on there? Sword, gust, ice aspect. That sounds pretty awesome, so we'll do ice aspect do, and oops, it's combined, my bad. And so there we go, ice aspect, and then we'll do like level, I guess, level 2, or level 2, there we go, level. And yeah, so that's pretty simple. Now say you want this to be like your starter kit, so give yourself like diamond armor or whatever, whichever kind of server that you're running, faction server or whatever. So then you can do create kit. This is with Essentials X, remember. Create kit, and then the name that you want. So I'm just going to put starter, and oops, starter, and then the delay, I'm just going to put 60 seconds. This is in seconds, remember, so if you want to change it to like days or something, you'll need to convert your seconds into days, and you can do that on Google. So it's pretty simple. And then I'm going to do that. So as you see, if we do /kits, and then you see right here kit starter, so if you get kit starter, then boom, there we go, we got another sword. And I'm just going to clear my inventory, go to GM0, clear this out, and then kit starter. Oops, starter, there we go, and then oops, I forgot to mention that it has to be in your inventory. I forgot about that, because one of the other plugins that I use, you can just like stick armor on yourself and it automatically adds it, but I forgot. This plugin, Essentials X, doesn't do that, so we'll create the kit again, and then let's see, where was it? There we go. So if we create the kit again, then we can have that. I'm just gonna put enchant sharpness 3. There we go. I'll put a sharpness 3 on there, and then force 2, and then all that great stuff. So we'll recreate it. So there, boom, there we go, with 5 entries. So as you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. And if you clean my inventory, kit starter, and there we go. There we go. So now it works. And I think this is pretty self-explanatory. Make sure you come on here. Each different enchantment levels for each different like item or whatever. So swords and bows or whatever. So it's pretty awesome, pretty awesome. And one thing that I'm going to mention real quick. So make sure you add your permissions for the users. So it would be essentials x.kit kits.starter, I believe. I will double check on that and put a link down in the description so you guys can go follow that. But yeah, this is pretty simple. And then this command kit show, and it shows what's in the kit that you just made. And then as you see at 4th level, damage all and damage all sharpness, if you guys didn't know. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm going to set this to sun, and it's pretty awesome. And pull mode. Boom! Give me that kill. So as you see, we have ice aspect, force, and level. So that's pretty awesome. As you see, that was pull mode from let's see, what was it? What those found those it freezes. Is this guess? No, that's not it. Force. I don't know. It's one of these.